Pip's swim school is open for the day. Who will he meet? A wobbly little duckling is here. She is brave but also a little bit scared. Pip knows just how to make new friends feel comfortable. Swimming is like flying. First, let's try putting your little webbed feet into the water. Feel that? Now splash, 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 like you're making music with your feet. See how you can push yourself through the water with your feet? Good. Next, let's use your wings to glide through the water. Pretend you're soaring. You're flying, little duckling. Now you are a natural. Swimming is the best. Swimming makes us healthy and happy. Keep practicing, and you'll be an expert. Everyone is welcome at Pip's swim school. The pool is open. Join us soon.